Hello and welcome. Imagine getting so drunk one night that you end up getting married to a total stranger. That is what happens to Rihanna and Rahul, यानी कि इमरान खान और करीना कपूर from the movie एक में और एक टू. और हमने इन्हें म्यूजिक इंडिया पे पकड़ लिया है to find out what exactly is happening. Hello you guys, how are you?
Very well, thanks.
Awesome. Before I even start the interview, Imran, I have a complaint to make. और ये officially complaint है पूरे भारत के मर्दों की तरफ से. The guys want to know. With due respect to Kareena, why would you rate Rihanna's bum a 4 out of 10? That is unfair.
Yeah, that is Rahul's nature.
Yeah. But
for the record, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि it was not Imran rating Kareena's bum. वैसे I would give her higher marks.
Tell us how much. Before she just says, go on, move on, you guys.
I think it's a 9.
It's a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Why not a 10?
Hey, listen.
What do you mean?
keep it in control, huh?
I give Imran a 4.
And in real life also.
In real life, you give
Because he's not giving me a 10.
Yeah. All right, all guys, Kareena would give you a 10 out of 10.
I say jury is biased. I call for a recount of the vote.
Recount. I am the jury. There is no other jury.
And all said and done, 10 out of 10 for Kareena and probably a 4 for Imran. Girls, don't feel bad. But you know what? The promos look great. You guys are looking awesome. But just to set the records clear, and I know that, but सबको एक बार फिर बताने के लिए, it's not an adaptation, it's not a remake, it has nothing to do with what happens in Vegas, right? Just stress on that point and tell everybody who's confused.
What happens in Vegas was actually about this couple who get married in Vegas, and that is the same. In that film, I think they win some jackpot or something.
Right.
They gamble, and then the next morning, both of them, technically the winnings belong to both of them, but they are both trying to get the other one to leave the marriage so that they can keep all the money.
Right.
So in that, it is about them trying to trying to one up the other one so that they can keep the money and get rid of the other person.
Yeah.
Our film is about a relationship. It's about a guy who has lived his life without ever being really happy.
Right.
A guy who's been very, very repressed, very restricted in his life. And this girl who suddenly comes in and shows him how much happiness there is in the world.
What a girl can bring in a guy's life.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I always use the analogy of him living in a box and this girl comes in, she opens the doors.
Wow.
She opens the windows and lets sunshine into his life.
Awesome.
So it's actually a relationship story more than a plot story.
So setting the record straight, guys, stop spreading the rumors. It has nothing to do with that movie. We love Bollywood and our movies and we don't adapt or remake. We have our own stories, right?
Well, that's not true. A lot of people adapt and remake.
Yeah, but not एक में और
Not एक में और
हमने तो नहीं किया है.
हमने नहीं किया. Awesome. अच्छा ये बताइए, I am sure you've been asked this question a lot of times. How was this working together? I don't want to know that because I know Imran loved working with Kareena and he definitely is a fan of hers. But Kareena has said that Imran is not a funny guy. He's sweet, but not funny. And trust me, Imran, I know how it feels not to be called a funny guy.
No,
दिल पे लगा यार.
that's not true. I'm saying that his jokes are not funny, but he's very, very
My
charming.
jokes left her cold.
Really?
And he has a great sense of humor, but apart from his jokes, he has a good sense of humor.
No, but contrary to that, I have one of his jokes here,
Oh, God.
which was not funny, and I want to find out where is it
Yeah,
funny. In your
exactly.
press conference, Imran says, movie का caption है एक मैं और एक तू, और मेरा joke सुनो, it's एक मैं और दो तू. So, explain to us where is the fun part of it,
Yeah.
laugh and get part of it.
There was some context of that. I was making some joke about her and Shakun and something. I can't remember what the... But there was a thought process at that time. अब याद नहीं है यार.
अच्छा, joke में thought process में Imran तो मजा नहीं आता फिर.
अरे क्यों? Intelligent humor होना चाहिए.
Oh, which we don't have, so. Right. Okay, cool. So he might be funny, which we'll find out probably in the movie. But tell me, do you really think people can get so drunk in life that you can end up doing something like this, like what happens in the movie?
It actually happens. You'll be surprised. वहाँ कितना होता है Vegas में?
Vegas is the place that
Vegas is the place
they're
that-
married in Vegas. It's like everyone's like,
Yeah.
no?
And what happens in Vegas,
Just
nobody
stays there.
stays there. But take aside the marriage part or the relationship, courtship part of it. Do you ever think in life it could happen to you that you could get drunk? And forget that you're Imran Khan and Kareena Kapoor, you are normal people.
नहीं यार, my personality is not such. I'm a person much like Rahul. I'm a guy who is always thinking 1 or 2 steps ahead. I'm always thinking about the consequences of my actions, about what I'm saying, about what I'm doing.
Of course.
हो ही नहीं सकता मेरे साथ.
And what about you, Kareena?
I mean, I don't think I would get drunk and get married because I'm a pretty responsible girl and I'm quite sorted, so I wouldn't do something as crazy as that.
They are very sorted, but trust me, Rihanna and Rahul are not. They get totally tully. You must go and check the song out. I'll play that for you. So listen to that song and enjoy it and then come back and have a very interesting round for Kareena and Imran.